7 News is on your side and taking a closer look at the rising rates of autism in American children. We previously reported the latest CDC data, and new tonight, our Carl Willis spoke with an Arlington family about what they hope to see in the future when it comes to understanding what's driving that increase.
A recent report by the CDC shows rising rates of autism in American children, with 1 in 31 being diagnosed.
It's clear that the rates are real, that they are increasing in the last 10 years.
Arlington mom Teresa Green doesn't deny the rise, but says the approach to getting to the bottom of the trend and the characterization of children with autism by the health secretary has her concerned.
I'm a mom of 2 autistic kids who also has autism, and so I feel hurt by the words personally as well. I think that they are devaluing.
Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. also wants to amass records of children with autism, find a cause by September, and is focusing on environmental factors and childhood vaccines as the cause.
This epidemic denial has become a feature in the mainstream media, and it's based on an industry canard. And obviously, there are people who don't want us to look at environmental exposures.
Maybe that's true. Maybe. But we don't actually have science to support that.
The executive director of the Arc of Virginia tells me there are a number of potential factors behind the rise in autism diagnoses.
The numbers have absolutely increased. That is not untrue by any means. And I do think that a lot of that is increased awareness, changes to the diagnoses, expanding definitions, things like that. But it doesn't mean that there's not also something going on, but that all needs to be approached cautiously and genuinely.
What is your feeling and hope moving forward?
RFK Jr., if you're listening, that, take that, what I think is a sincere concern for children and families who are struggling with autism, and trust the experts and the scientists.
Carl Willis, 7 News.